start tonight with the fallout here in Arizona surrounding abortion rights.
Tonight, new court battles are playing out across the nation on laws limiting abortions after the decision to overturn Roe v. Wade. Arizona is amongst 4 states where most clinics have stopped providing abortions because of the uncertainty surrounding state laws.
That uncertainty leading to a 4th night now of protests in Phoenix. New barbed wire fencing surrounds the state capitol, despite things being mostly peaceful. That's where our Ashley Paredes is tonight, live sharing the personal stories from some women in the valley. Ashley?
Right. Well, yes, another night of people here out at the Capitol, a large crowd, but like you mentioned, rather peaceful, while others have decided to make their voices heard in other areas of town, including local businesses.
So I decided that day that I did not want to have a baby and I had an abortion.
Tres Leches Cafe turning into a safe space for women in the fight for the right to choose.
We started, trying to figure out what we could do to help because we didn't feel safe going out there and demonstrating, coming out to any future protests, especially not with our kids.
The owners of the downtown Phoenix coffee shop, along with Arizonans for Reproductive Freedom, holding an open mic night Monday with dozens of people from all across the valley coming together.
I have so much family that just went through the experience of not being able to access the care that they need, turning to alternate resources that hasn't been the most safe, and I've just seen what that has done.
Organizers also collecting signatures on a petition for a constitutional amendment on the ballot to protect the right to abortions and access to birth control. Without that,
it's a recipe for disaster.
That woman showing up in tears after telling us multiple stores were sold out of the emergency contraceptive Plan B. When she finally found one, she said she was almost denied from purchasing it.
How is it right here, right in front of me? But because of this new law, you're trying to make an excuse not to sell it to me. What is my future? At this point, I'm like, what is my future gonna look like if I can't get this out of the shelf?
Like many women, she's had a health risk during a miscarriage before and is now worried for her own daughter.
God forbid she goes to the hospital because there's something wrong with her pregnancy and I have to choose between something that's not viable and my daughter.
Yeah, another emotional night. A lot of people have a lot to say, and we see it here, people holding signs, also having chalk and writing on the street, her body, her choice. A lot of different opinions from people out here, but again, mostly peaceful at the state capitol tonight. I'm Ashley Paredes, ABC 15 Arizona.
Thank you, Ashley. Well, tonight there are new legal challenges surrounding state